Good afternoon, guys. Okay, so just locked in some profits, and I've actually moved it up to the sort of the low of the previous candle, rather than locking the profits here or here, which is a bit too close, if I'm being honest. I'm going to lock in the profits roughly around the 45 cents mark, which is the low basically of this candle. And as I say, if it breaks, then we walk away and we go again tomorrow. So we're getting pretty close now to the 20% return, which is absolutely brilliant on the day. Around 51 cents. Well, 3 cents out now. Bit of a slow burn, this one, if I'm being honest. In relation to AGMH, that literally just shot up like a rocket. And as I say, good job we took our profits where we did take them, because now it looks like it's in a downturn towards the 20 and the 50-day moving average. Just going to quickly go over to PMX again, looking good. I think what I'm going to do next is lock in those profits right there on that candle's close, the doji candle that is, which is this candle here. I'm going to lock in profits when this candle closes. Again, this one is a slow burn. Yale, not looking good, if I'm being honest. We took a price around $8, and we set our stop loss, our mental stop loss that is, guys, by the way, roughly around 7.92, which is the close of this candle, but I've not had confirmation that I've been taken out as of yet. So if we're still in this trade and it rebounds, then hopefully potentially it goes up to $8.15, which it's not a great return in the day. I mean, if I'm being honest, I'm holding this for the $10 mark. We just quickly zoom out. This is realistically just a really small position size $10 play from $8 up to $10, which I know is not a lot. It's a $2 return, but at the end of the day, the idea behind this is to get my mindset right in relation to day trading on market open, live, like day traders would do on a lower time frame, rather than as an investor I would trade long term. So I would have held this stock dated back to the $5 all the way up to the $8 mark. But for me to do that, I'd have to have held this stock for at least a week or two, for the $3 return, which, to be honest with you, there is plenty of stocks that I've realised now that are being traded daily that'll give me a $3 return within a day for the same amount of shares size. So hence why we're going into the mindset of a day trader. So let's quickly go back onto the 5-minute time frame. Let's have a look what this stock is doing at this time. Absolutely sod all at the moment. It's sort of being held. BTBT got a huge position size on this, and we had a bit of a squeaky bum time, if I'm being honest, because it got close to the $2 zone, which is what I didn't want it to do. But it did reverse, and we're heading back up again, so which is not too bad. Tesla, from the earlier on video, it sort of hit the 50-day moving average, and it's carrying on rallying up towards $300. And as I say, at the moment the target was 310, but it does look like it's going to reverse and carry on up towards that $300 mark. So if you're in this trade, congratulations to yourself, because it does look like a promising stock. Let's just head back over to PM. Oh my god. Right, okay guys, so with that, it looks like on this next candle open, we are out of that trade. It potentially could test 20 period moving average and then rally back up again. Potentially, I say potentially, but that's quite a big bearish candle, if I'm being honest. Big sell-off. Okay guys, so been in the market now for roughly an hour, and if I'm being honest, that's all I've got time for. So that is me over and out. I shall catch yous potentially tomorrow or Wednesday. But yeah, if this candle does not increase at all here, we're out, and small profit on this one. Thanks for watching.